Welcome to my kitchen. Today we're baking a bread that I've been making for many years. This bread is probably made throughout Eastern Europe and especially in the Ukraine. And it's a black bread made with rye flour, and this is how I do it. We're gonna need rye flour, regular flour, bran, we need vegetable oil, dark baking chocolate, caraway seeds, fennel seeds, yeast, grated onion, salt, molasses, dark coffee, and to egg wash with egg white and a little water. And this is what you do. Combine all wet ingredients. The oil, onion, molasses, coffee, combine all the dry ingredients, the rye flour, regular flour, bran, chocolate, caraway seeds, fennel seeds with a little sugar, yeast, and the salt. Blend them well. Now add your wet ingredients and 3/4 cups of water. Add extra water if necessary to make a sticky dough. Work it with your hands to form a tight ball. Then cover it and proof it till it doubles in size. When it's doubled in size, punch it down and you're ready to shape your loaf. Set your oven to 375 degrees. Cover with an oiled plastic and let it rise till it doubles in size. When it does, give it a good egg wash and place it in the oven. Check it at about 30 minutes, but it could take 40 or 50 depending on where you are. It should sound hollow and it should be ready. I love this bread. to make Reuben sandwiches and open-face smoked salmon with creme fraiche. Thanks for tuning in. See you next time. Ciao.